Hi friends, welcome to WP Themes, a dedicated channel for WordPress themes and plugins. So in this video, I have chosen a wonderful theme for single product. This theme is Drone. Drone is a single product WordPress theme and it has been developed by Apus Theme. They are elite authors. Theme was developed in 2016 and regular updates for this theme is also being done. Drone is basically made for single product and that is specifically for selling drone, and if you are in plan to make website for this category, this video is for you. This theme has got 3 home pages, demo website, and I'll show you one by one. This is the demo one, and since it is focused on drone or single product, it has the similar look or for dedicated look showing the drone, and this is demo 2 and it is also good one, and this is third, and it is of course a eCommerce website, e-commerce activities, so you can choose any of the available demo as per your choice and need. So in this video we are going to install this theme and also see the basic customization options along with the theme features. So let us go. I have a latest installation of WordPress and I got the theme pack as well. So on the theme pack I got guides, licensing samples, drone child and drone theme itself. So let us begin the installation. Go to the themes of WordPress. Okay, I need to log in and click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose drone_zip folder, and I assume you are having direct access on your server, so you can upload the same file directly on the WP content themes folder. I am doing the same to save some time, and the theme size is 24.16 MB. It will take a bit time, and both activities are same. Either you can upload the theme from WordPress panel or you can directly upload at your hosting, and once the progress bar turns green you can extract the theme, uploaded theme, and the extraction outcome is this drone folder in which we got all the theme components, files and folders. Now we can delete the zip one, it is just consuming the server space. Go to the theme section again, and now we have drone as another theme option. Let us check the details. See drone version 1.26 and single product WordPress clean theme. It is use Apus framework. Okay, fine. So activate it. Upon activation we got an alert to install necessary plugins. So at this stage we will begin installing plugins, and these are the list of plugins available with this theme, and all are required, only one is recommended. So I am installing plugins in one go, and if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install plugins one by one, and if you are taking hosting with from WP themes, you'll get the same server capacity. So rest assured about the theme and hosting plans. Now we can activate the installed plugins. All plugins has been installed and activated. Now come to the dashboard. It may require a basic setup of eCommerce. Let us check. Yes, it is redirecting to eCommerce basic setup. I am putting just sample data. You put the original one as applicable for you. Here you need to select Drone, continue with my active theme, and no need to install Jetpack at this stage. We can install later. Now we have installed the theme and all set of plugins. We can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme and plugins. This is the basic look of Drone theme without any content, and definitely at the next stage we need to have some demo content, and I'm just locating where the demo content option is given in the theme WordPress panel. And this theme uses Redux framework. This is a very good framework of WordPress development. And here is the Apache demo import option under tools. Just click on it, and here is a simple button. Click here to import demo data. Click on it, and the import process is on now, and it will take a bit time, and it got in few seconds only. It is amazing. I'm afraid all the contents got. Let us check the website what we got. And a page not found error is here, and I assume there is no demo content. We did not got any demo content in the activity. Let us check the pages. So nothing is hidden in my videos. This is why all things are transparent. What is going on in the real sense, I always show you. And I'll check to import the demo content again. It may miss due to some specific reason. Okay, so I'm just hitting again on it. And now it seems it is going, and it may take up to 10 minutes, so we have to wait and let the process get complete. Don't refresh or leave this page, and you will reach on this screen once the demo import gets successful. So it will be written here as importing is successful, and we can set the home page. Now we can recheck our website, how it looks with the demo. Something good is loading, I assume. Yes, it is really good, and we got all the things here, and I believe all images has not been provided by the developer, but yes, images has been given here, and the website is complete to go with original. Some images has not been provided, like the product images, but it doesn't matter as you have to use your own image. Website is ready and you can go for adding original content and everything is fine. Now let's shop with sidebar. Okay, so there is no item in shop, so we can check another home page as well. So it is going to the developer site. I will show you the pages, all pages what we got in the demo, and these are the pages we got in the demo, and this is home page 2. We can check it, and this is home page 3. We can check it, and this is home page 2. We have got it, and only we need to add images on vacant places, and rest is fine. And this is home page 3. Okay, that is wonderful. So we can assume that we have successfully installed the drone theme in this activity, and of course I'll show you the theme options and what additional we got in the WordPress installation. So in the addition of WordPress, footer builder is new, mega menu profiles is new, Apps brands is new. Let us see what is Apps brands. Okay, so it can be used for brand slider only. Apps testimonials, and rest things are common. And here is the drone options, that is theme options. I'll show you the theme options what is given here. So in the theme setting, theme panel, we have general setting, header, footer, blog, WooCommerce, style, social media, custom CSS and JS. So these are the options available at the theme panel, and now I'll show you how to edit any page content. Just let me close the rest of the pages. Okay, so this is the home page, and if suppose, and this is the WP Bakery page builder. So of course you are may be familiar with the WP Bakery page builder, and I'll show you how to edit your any page. Just open that page and click on WP edit with WP Bakery Composer page builder, and the front end editor is loading up. It takes time, sometimes it takes times, but you have to be here. And now it is here only, and this is the pencil icon. Everywhere you'll find pencil icon everywhere. Whatever you want to edit, you just click on that and you will be able to edit slider aliases like things. And if you need to add or remove text, just click on pencil icon, and here are the contents. You can change and edit. Okay, so, and you can even use backend editor. Backend editor is more convenient, as I assume. So these are the slider alias. You can edit the revolution slider from here, and the image is here, and I believe you know how to edit the revolution slider images, and if not, it is not so tough. It just click on the item whatever you want to edit and you can edit here. It is not so very technical thing. And this is the backend editor of page, and backend editor is more convenient, as I told you. So you can change or edit anything, just clicking on pencil icon, single image let us say, and here is the option. So just use backend editor as I advise you, and you can also add or remove things, and you can change the background colors and all such things. Like if you want to go for row setting and want to change color, you can change color here, and this is the background. So background and color can be changed here, and everything is good with this theme, and you can definitely create a wonderful website using this theme. And if you have any question regarding this theme, you can definitely get in touch with me. In the link I am giving you a link of my website where you can get this theme and even hosting, and you can start a discussion thread there. You can get community support as well as I am available there. So don't hesitate in asking any question if you have, and I assume you have already subscribed this channel, and if not, just ring the bell and subscribe this channel. I'm going to bring wonderful themes, plugins and utilities for you. Thanks for watching.